Today I have with me the Yamaha R15 V3, and in this video we'll be checking out all the 2021 accessories for this motorcycle. And before we begin, please take a bit of your time to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, because that way you'll never miss a notification from us. We've been making accessories for this motorcycle for quite some time now, and in this video we'll be checking all the latest arrival that will completely revamp the look of your motorcycle this 2021. We'll begin with the accessory that completely transforms the look of this motorcycle, this head mask. This one is called the Windscreen Fairing Mask 2.0, and it's made with ABS plastic, which makes it lightweight, highly durable and with a premium finish. This is a direct fit plug and play kind of product, which means you can install this directly on top of the stock fairing. Also, this product is designed in such a way that it will not hamper any visibility. Next up on the list, we have this beautiful mirrors. This is an aluminium made product. It provides great visibility to the back and is anti-glare. Again, this is a direct fit product, which means you can directly replace your stock mirrors with this one. If you want another option, then you can go for this R1M mirrors. As features of this mirror, we have integrated side indicators. Also, due to this special position, we can get better view of the rear. Finally, what makes this product really special is the fact that this gives the motorcycle a big bike look. Next up, we have this beautiful and aggressive looking racing visor for Yamaha R15 V3. This is a polycarbonate made visor, and the specialty of this visor is that this is aerodynamically designed, which means when riding fast or when riding in tracks, this product will come in handy. Now, like the other products, this one is also a direct fit product, meaning you can directly remove your stock visor and install this one. And lastly, this one comes with an R badging here and is available in 2 other variants. Color wise, we have installed a blue one here, and this one is also available in multiple colors. Another option in the visor for the Yamaha R15 V3 is our best-selling Bolt DB visor. Previously, this visor was made with acrylic, but now it is imported polycarbonate. Now, let us move on to a protection or safety accessory, the lever guards. This is a universal accessory, which means this can be installed on other motorcycles too. Also, it's made with aluminium and is a direct fit product. In order to install this, all you have to do is remove your handlebar weights and install this here. Now, in order to match with the mirrors, we have used anodized blue with the handle levers also. Now, this one is also available in multiple colors. This next product will transform the entire rear section of your motorcycle. It will make it more sharper and more aggressive. This is the seat cowl for Yamaha R15 V3. Now, this one is made with ABS plastic. It's lightweight and it is very easy to install because it goes on top of your rear seat. Also, this is an ideal product for that solo rider. Next up is an absolute must-have accessory for the Yamaha R15 V3, the frame sliders. This is a wide frame slider. What it means is that in a crash, this will protect your entire fairing and the other important components of your motorcycle. Moving on to my personal favorite part of this motorcycle, the rear section. And in this rear section, we have installed a tail tidy and an integrated tail light. And first up in this tail section, we have this beautiful tail tidy. This product is laser cut for precision, and you can install your standard number plates on here. This one has a premium powder coated finish which will ensure more product life. Also, you can install standard or any aftermarket indicators. Next up, we have our Savage indicators. This is an all LED indicators made for motorcycles. Now, this is a universal product, which means you can install this on any motorcycle. This is a high power LED light, which means it will be safe whenever you're taking a turn. Moving on to the final accessory on this motorcycle, the integrated LED tail light. With this product, normally you will not require an additional indicator. Another specialty of this product is that you can change the colors in this. In order to change the colors, all you have to do is tap the front brakes 5 times rapidly. So in total, you'll get around 6 color combinations on this one. So guys, these are the 2021 newest arrival accessories for the Yamaha R15 V3. But this is not it. We have much more accessories for this motorcycle, and you can check them out in the link below. So that's it for this video. I'll catch you next week. Take care and ride safe.